check out the exterior plastering with range. As you can see, with window design, aluminum casement window. You can contact us for a project. You can see the neatness of this plastering, exterior plastering. Web plastering, as you can see. Still under construction. Still under construction. As you can see, you can contact us for a project. All the fence will be plastered. Check out, check it round, check it round. You can contact us on 08063098718. Then go to the other side to show you the front view. You can see the plastering is completely done, well ranged. You see all the fence is well plastered. This is the back view. You can see how neat it is. Thank you. God bless you. Please like, share, comment.